So we want to look at why Bitcoin had a slump within this last week and a half or so. And a lot of people had announced that it had to do with Elon Musk and also with China. So I created a video talking about what Elon Musk did to add to the Bitcoin drop. But I want to create another one just to show you what China had done with the regulations recently with the Bitcoin mining operations in China, which caused the a little bit of a drop too in the Bitcoin. Let's say a major drop. Let's say. So if you look here on CNBC, it's saying the major Bitcoin mining region of China sets tough penalties for cryptocurrency activity. So if you scroll down through this, what they've done is in Inner Mongolia and other areas within China, they're starting to crack down on cryptocurrency mining because it uses a lot of energy in the country. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to find the miners that are consuming all of this energy and shutting them down. And a lot of these, like you see in this picture here, they have quite a bit of large mining operations. In one article I read, China accounts to 70% of the Bitcoin mining operations. So they have large factories, they have a lot of space, a lot of cheap energy. So this is what they're really trying to get to in China, is the crackdown on these mining operations, and they're also trying to start their own virtual currency. So they want to eliminate their competition just by doing their own virtual currency and cutting out Bitcoin and the Bitcoin mining. They also believe that, well, because they're a communist country, they believe that it also brings you onto other social platforms like Twitter and Facebook and all these other things. They have been banning some of those other websites as well in China. If we go to another non-biased website link like Al Jazeera, again, they're showing the China crackdown on crypto mining. And if you see that in this picture, this is another huge mine here. Some of the bigger mining operations have like Hubei Mall. They said that they're suspending their operations. See now, they already been eliminating cryptocurrency in China since 2017, so this is nothing new. In Beijing, they started uh, eliminating cryptocurrency and eliminating cryptocurrency trading and exchanges and stuff like that. And then everybody just sort of gave up on it. They didn't really care too much. So I think that we're getting a little scare tactic here again. I mean, I definitely believe that China is definitely cutting out their Bitcoin mining operations. But if you look over here in this ad here, they're shifting overseas. So part of the cryptocurrency exchange, and some of them in China, they're suspending their activities and moving to different countries where they can mine. So there'll be a little bit of a little blip, but you can also hear that see here in this article, they're saying some of the crypto mining rigs are going to be sold overseas. That again has happened before too. It's nothing new. So I think that the downturn is a little bit of hype right now that's happened in China. So I think a little bit more of the reasoning that it dropped was not only did China have the ban, or they re-announced their second ban, what, like, from 2017 to 2021. So 4 years later, they announced a second ban on just mining operations. But they also announced with Elon Musk that he wasn't accepting Bitcoin for Tesla. So both the two at the same time really, really pushed it out. If you look at the Bitcoin chart, this is where it hit. And if you zoomed in even lower, it dropped to 30,000, and it was upwards somewhere around 64. This is not the greatest chart, but we were looking at 64. It dropped to 30, and we're looking at a slight rebound, from where it was a week ago. So from going from 30 to 38, it's gained back almost 10,000. It did hit 40,000 already several times during the week. So it regained 10,000, went from 30 to 40. And I see that it's going to be a slow trend. I'm starting to see the trend on Bitcoin SV and also Bitcoin Cash, which tend to follow the same trends as Bitcoin. So we'll just sort of hang in there. I believe right now is the good time to buy during a dip. I did buy some of my altcoins during the dip. If you notice, Dogecoin is also quite low right now, and some of the other coins, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV was trading around like $400 before this crash, and now it's slightly under 100. Well, it was at 140 last I checked. So there's some big opportunities to hit here. If you buy on one coin for 140 and it hits 400, you have a pretty good upside there. So we'll just sort of hold, wait for this China tough cryptocurrency activity that they're calling to slow down. We'll wait for Elon Musk to start his green energy mining operations, and I think we'll be right back up. There's already some speculations going out there that Bitcoin by the end of this year is going to hit 6 digits. So I fully believe that because we've already went from 20,000 earlier this year to 60,000 in a very short period of time. So we're going to have a rebound here, I believe, and I think we're going to hit that 6 digit mark. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if you liked it, and we'll see you guys soon.